How do cryptocurrency exchanges actually work? At their core, crypto exchanges are platforms that let you buy, sell, or trade digital currencies. Think of them as the crypto version of a stock market. There are two main types: centralized exchanges, CEXs, and decentralized exchanges, DEXs. Centralized exchanges like Coinbase, Binance, and Kraken act as middlemen. You create an account, deposit money, and the exchange handles the transaction for you. They're fast, easy, and user-friendly, but you don't control the keys to your crypto. Decentralized exchanges like Uniswap or PancakeSwap let you trade directly from your wallet. There's no sign-up, no KYC, and no central authority. You keep full control, but you also take full responsibility. Here's how a trade works. You place an order, say to buy Ethereum with USD. The exchange matches you with someone selling Ethereum at that price. Once the trade executes, your balance updates, and the coins are stored in your account or wallet. Most major exchanges also offer charts, tools, mobile apps, staking options, and even earn programs, but not all exchanges are equal. Some have better fees, security, or token availability than others. So which should you use? CEXs are great for beginners and fast trades. DEXs are ideal for privacy, control, and access to DeFi tokens. Just be sure to transfer large holdings to your personal wallet after trading. Want our top exchange picks and tutorials? Head to crypto101.com and get your crypto journey started today. This is Crypto 101, Crypto Simplified, Wealth Amplified.